Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I want to show you how to cook your chicken, the hard chicken, like this hard boiler chicken that doesn't cook very fast. You want to end up in the kitchen the whole day. Just add this seasoning. Yes, add your seasoning. I am adding onions and peppers to this. Then I'll add thyme and I'll add curry, and sometimes I add even turmeric. Yes, so all is optional. You can add what you ever you want, however you want to cook it, but my own aim of this video is to tell you what to do when the hard chicken refuses to get done. So as Africans, we eat the very hard chicken, not the soft one. So the very hard chicken, they cook they stay a long time in the stove, and sometimes it's very uncomfortable, but we end up enjoying it. So I would, before I do start putting this in, what I did was to wash this chicken. Yes, some people don't wash their chicken, but I wash my chicken. I soak it in water, in lemon water. I take one or two lemon. Like this chicken is many because this pot is very deep. So I had to soak it with like about two balls of lemon, and then I cut the lemon half. I squeezed it inside the water, allow it to stay there like up to 15 minutes. Then I washed it, and then sometimes I use apple cider. If I don't have lemon, I put apple cider vinegar. I soak it, then wash it, or I use white cider vinegar. The reason why is to remove the foul smell from chicken. The smelling is unbearable sometimes for me. So if you are like me, this is what you are going to do. So you also have to add bay leaf. Bay leaf can also make the chicken cook very fast. But as you can see here, the bay leaf I put here was extremely too much. You can put very few bay leaves. Mine was overcooked even, and the chicken was a very hard chicken. Don't mind the way it looks. It was very hard chicken. I used to cook them all the time. So I add this time to, they also will make it cook very fast. Yes, you don't have to sleep in the kitchen. When you don't have the fast cooking pot, like me, I buy the fast cooking pot all the time. I don't know what they call it, a fast cooking pot. I buy it all the time, and then I end up spoiling it. I don't want that anymore. So what I do is to just cook them in this way that I'm going to show you. So please do wash your chicken, soak them in water. Please, for me, soak them in water, lemon water, and wash them if you know you cannot handle the foul smell of chicken. Yes, so look at what I'm going to do. I'll only use foil paper, aluminum foil paper, to just cover it while I cook it. Honestly, before 15 minutes, this chicken will be done. You don't need to sleep in the kitchen. Within 15 minutes, it is done, and you will just bring it out. So my main purpose of making this video is to show you. So when it's see, it's already done. I don't even know if my own was up to 15 minutes because I added a lot of bay leaf. That bay leaf will help it fasten it to cook very well. So I portioned it into two. So I would grill some and fry some. Yes, I will fry some because some people here don't eat the one that is grilled. They like the one that is fried, but I like the grilled one. The grilled one is even better than the fried one. I'll fry them and then grill them. So I am going to fry this one in my leftover oil and that I've used to cook before, and then and that is it. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being my for all my new subscribers and my old subscriber. And until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye bye.